flood creeping up from the heathens. Got will.
Real quick, guys. Today I am going to share with you guys this powerful strategy, this powerful scalping strategy that you're seeing right now on my screen. And as you can see, this is a live trade, and this is where I open the position, and this is volatility 75 index 1 minute time frame, guys. This is a zero loss strategy, guys. So what you just need to do right now is for you to follow my instructions properly and closely and get this profit running, guys. Look at this here. You can see what I analyze here, and before you proceed into using this particular strategy, you just have to do your proper analysis as usual. Then after doing that, come to this our this our quote here. Once you come to this our quote and look at this volatility that we are trading, guys, you can see this here. You see the percentage here, guys. You can see this. You see the percentage. That is to show you that this is as early as 7 o'clock here, and I really don't know where you're watching from, but when you look at this, you will see that this is too early for this volatility 75 index to have gathered over 1.20 something percent, showing us that the market will be going bull. All right, so now when you look at this here, you will see what I'm saying. This is a 1 minute scalping strategy, and then you can see that this particular move that you are seeing right here, this is over $195 right now. All right, so why I am saying this is this. I just want every one of you to follow this instruction. So I am going to dive into how you are going to set your screen this way and start making this free money. And then what you want to do, as I said earlier on, be sure to run your proper down analysis. When I go to my probably 4-hour time frame, and then you will see this here, guys. Right, you will see this market can go down anytime. So what you just need to do is for you to be following this particular move here. Look at this here. Okay, let me say let me use proper tool here. Look at this here. All right, and when you take this, look at this here. All right, so now what I opened my position on was just this thing. All right, I was just trying to scalp from this support zone to this trend line here. I am out of the market. All right, so that is how we are going to be scalping very quick on 1 minute time frame. So when I go to my 1 hour time frame, you will be seeing all these things. All right, you will be seeing this. Look at what I was explaining to you guys. Look at this. As soon as this particular thing here, look at this rejection at this zone here. I believe it's going to reject at this zone. That was the reason I opened that position here. So I am going to exit position as soon as it gets to this level, trend level here, and the market will be bouncing back again down. All right, so now when you go to your 15-minute time frame, guys, you can see what I am explaining to you guys. Look at this here. All right, look at this. So that is to say, since this rejection happened at this zone and rejection happened at this zone, then when this market rejected twice here, and I met this market at this zone here, that was the reason I opened the position, and this is the trend line I'm talking about. So once you get to this trend line, there are every possibility that it's going to drop down back to form M, guys. All right, so that is the simple way that you can trade volatility 75 index and you understand what you are trading. Look at it here, guys. All right, look at it here. I know what I'm telling you. Look at where I opened that position. As soon as I spot this rejection, look at this little rejection here that formed a W there. All right, when you look at this here, you will see this. You will see this here. All right, so as soon as I spot this rejection and this particular candle, let me clear this, and this particular candle broke this particular support, right? So that was the reason you saw me take this particular position here, and I am going to allow this scalping, this position to run to this place, guys, somewhere here, and it is not a must that you are going to allow it to get to that trend line. This is what they call scalping, guys. Quick scalping. You scalp a little bit with this MACD. All right. So I am going to share the settings of this MACD with you guys so that you will be able to set your screen this way. And also, if you want me to mentor you on how to dictate something like this, be sure to contact me via the number that I'm going to leave in the description of this particular video that you are watching. All right, so that is, I mean, people that are serious about mentorship. All right, do not come to my DM to ask me questions. So that is how it is. And also, if you love content like this and you want me to be sharing content like this whenever I come across it, be sure to smash that like button and also smash that subscribe button as well. It's very, very important to the channel. And that is how it is, guys. So I'm going to quickly share with you guys how this particular strategy works. You click on this F icon here. Once you click on this particular place here, now before you go into this, guys, sorry, let me share this thing with you. Look at when you are supposed to be opening your position here. You see this, look at this. As soon as you spot this as soon as you spot something like this on your higher time analysis, before you drop down to 1 minute / 5 minutes time frame, it all depends. Let's just jump into 1 minute so you see it properly. I'm not telling you what is not working. Look at this here. All right, look at this here. All right, probably from your higher time frame, you might have spotted that this market will be dropping from this zone. So what you just need to do is for you to come down, or you mark all these places, then you come down to your lower time frame. Look at this. As soon as you spot something like this, guys, look at this crossover here at this 0 level. Now when you measure these two things, all right, when you look at this here, you will see what happened. Look at it. Now as soon as this market dropped below this 0 level and you spot something like this, the market is coming down, that is when you are going to open your quick scalping 1 minute time frame, guys. You scalp quickly and you get out of that particular position. You wait for another one, because there are many opportunities in this. So what you just need to do, follow these instructions properly. Now when you look at this place as well, look at this here. All right, as soon as you spot this crossover here, look at this. As soon as this histogram crosses the 0 level, look at the 0 level. All right, the dotted line between up and down of this histogram, that is what they call the 0 level. So now as soon as this histogram crosses from 0 level to above, then cross check what is going on the chart. Once you spot something like this, that is the time for you to pick your quick scalping strategy, quick scalping position. You close that particular position and you wait for another particular one. Then look at this here. There are many this is 1 minute time frame, guys. You can make a lot of money, different different position, different opportunities that you are going to capitalize on. Look at this here. As soon as that histogram crosses from below to above, that is, it crosses the 0 level from below to above. Look at what happened here. You pick your trade immediately, open your position and quick scalp, and you're out of the market. Then look at it here again. All right, so I am going to share this with you right now, this MACD setting, so that you'll be able to set your screen this way and start making the money. Look at this here. As soon as this histogram crosses this, look at what happened here. You pick your quick scalping. You are out of the market. You wait for another opportunity. That is how you are going to trade this forex market with this MACD. All right. Just be sure to follow my instructions properly. And if you want others that are searching for a minute strategy for them to grow their small account, be sure to smash that like button so that this platform will be able to pop this video up to them as well, so that they will be able to use this strategy to grow their own small account as well. So that is it, guys. So let me share the settings with you as well, so that you'll be able to set your screen this way. Look at this here. You come to display. The first indicator that you're going to add is our RSI, guys. Then once you click on the RSI, this is the settings here. All right, so you are going to take the screenshot of what you're seeing right now. All right, look at this here. Take the screenshot of what you're seeing. Be sure to set your screen this way. After setting it up, you click on this done here, guys. All right, you click on this done here, and be sure to click on this. All right, be sure to set this particular levels properly, because when you go back to this our chart, you'll be seeing that whenever this gets to this level 85 here, and you are seeing something like and you are seeing something like this, look at what I'm saying. Level 85, level 85. As soon as the histogram hits that 85 level, and you on your main chart, you are seeing something like this, you do not need to wait for anybody to tell you open position or not. You scalp a little bit, look at it here, look at this here, and look at this one, look at this one here. It's as simple as that, guys. So now, after setting this up, you go back to the FI icon there, you add this MACD, you click on this indicator window 1. All right, you click on this indicator window 1, you add this MACD. All right, once you add this MACD, I'm going to open the setting. Look at the settings here. Take screenshot of what you're seeing right now, and be sure to set your screen this way. After setting it up, always make sure you click on this done here. All right, click on this done, so that this will be added to your chart. So you go back. That is how you are going to use this MACD strategy to quick scalp volatility 75 index. Be sure to use it properly. Do not try to use it on boom and crash, guys. I've tried that and it didn't work. So that is how this strategy works, guys. So if you love content like this, as I said earlier on, be sure to smash that subscribe button and like button as well, and also be sure to turn on your notification bell, so that whenever I share powerful content like this, you'll be able to be among the first that YouTube is going to pop the notification to. So that's how it is, guys. Signing out, Olites. Peace.